let's turn another losing lottery ticket into something fun. A table tennis paddle.
A what?
You heard me, let's get started. First, tear the lottery ticket into 2 square pieces. Next, fold one piece in half. After that, fold the top corners to the center line. Now fold the bottom sides to the center, like this. After that, flip the paper over and fold the sides to the center, while opening the sides that were folded a step earlier, like this. Flip the paper again and turn it until the point is facing you. Now open the sides, like this. Then, squash fold the bottom part and refold the sides to the center. Fold the sides to the center again, like this, and your handle is finished.
Oh wow, look at that nice fold.
Quiet you. Now let's take the second piece of paper, and we will fold this in half, just like the first piece. Next, let's fold the 2 sides to the center line, like so. After that, we will fold the right side to the last crease on the left. Here's a line to help you out. Do the same for the other side. Here's another line for you just in case. After that, flip the paper over and let's fold these 2 creases to the center. They're marked for you to help out. Great! Now let's take the handle we made before and slide it into the paddle part. You're almost there. We just need to round off the paddle by folding it this way. And done!
Oh man, this is the slowest table tennis game I've ever seen.
That's it, I've had it with you and your comments.
I'm sorry. Don't leave.
No, I'm done.
I'll behave! I promise!
Too late.
I got ice cream!
Coffee.
Yeah!
Okay.